bonjour, hello, good afternoon. What's up, YouTube? It's your girl Cash K Killer Cam back with the plan, and this is a tech review on the El Grande pole extension for GoPro. We're just gonna be unboxing it. I just got it today. UPS dropped it on my door. Didn't even know it was delivered yet until I looked out. But we're gonna get into this. Not gonna be too long, not too lengthy. I got the 2.0. You guys already know my other video. If you have not checked that out, I'll add that in the end of the video so you guys can get into that. But this is more of a vlogging selfie. I believe you can swim with it. It has like a drainage at the bottom. I did some research, but overall it's just a big ass selfie stick. Pardon my French, but let's get into this video. I'm gonna open up the box. Wait, let me get you guys into the detail. Nothing special. Blue and gray classic 15-inch. As you can see, you guys can read, pause in on that. And you have like a lock, swivel. We're just gonna open it up. I'll be right back, guys. Alright guys, I got the box open. I know some people love seeing it slide out, so I'm gonna slide it out for you guys. I was gonna do everything off camera, but you know, give you something to look forward to, right? This is the presentation it comes on. Nothing too fancy. What's up, YouTube? I'm back. Had a little interruption. Let's pick up where we left off. This is gonna be a quick video. I'm going to mount the El Grande. I want you guys to see how long it is. I'm gonna extend it for you. It goes pretty long. Can you see that? Pick it up. It's pretty long. This is the longest selfie stick I've ever seen. Couldn't even get it in the full shot all the way, but right here, it's taller than my table. I believe it's 38 inches. It's about 2.5 feet. You twist left to lock it, and you twist right to unlock. So that's how that goes. But I'm gonna put the GoPro on first, so it should be pretty easy. Just slide it in. Lift this up. Slide it in like so. I can see that. It's on there. Alright. How y'all guys doing today? How y'all feel about this this shot? I ain't gonna say it, but y'all know what the hell I'm talking about. I'm in New York City, so things about to get crazy. Me and B wanna go on vacation, but scared to, you know. I'll zoom in on the box so y'all can get a feel of it. In fact, let me get that thumbnail if I can. Don't really stay up. Can I get it to stand? Nope. She's gonna tip over, but it's all good. Alright, so I got the GoPro on. Excuse me if I'm all over the place. Alright. It's pretty long. Look how long this bad boy is. Go all the way up. And you can stay up. So this is great for like selfies. Getting under the water. It has like these little drainage holes It doesn't particularly float. I took the initiative to put a land guard on it myself. It did not come with it like the 2.0 over here, if you guys can see that, but it's all good. I had one on standby from one of my other selfie sticks. I just replaced it because it was blue and I like that. But this is just a quick review. It's pretty sturdy, it doesn't shake. Let me turn the camera on so you guys can see. 1 second. And excuse my living room. We just moved and we in the progress of getting the furniture set up. Let me see. Excuse me, I'm like last minute all over the place. No assistant. And this pole is pretty long, but I like it. And it just can break down until half of it. And it's still pretty long to get those shots. Like, boom, right there in your face. Right there in your face. Great to pan in, pan out. I'm feeling it. Do I recommend this? It's a bit pricey for $60 for a selfie stick, but it is GoPro, and anything GoPro is specifically for the camera, so you can't go wrong with the connection and it working properly. The other ones from Amazon, Walmart may be cheaper, but the quality may not be there. Like I said, it's 38 inches, extension pole. You lock, twist to the left, unlock, twist to the right, 15 to 38. So this is, I feel like, for the quality and for what it's worth, it's cool enough to buy. You're not going to regret it. But it is a bit pricey. I would put it in the $20–$30 range for a selfie stick. Like, it didn't even come with a land guard, and it does not float. And I want to know in the comments, guys, is my mod waterproof? Not the extra screen or the light piece. I know these are waterproof. Well, I'm not even sure about the screen, but this right here itself, my mod, because I can't really find anything about it. But other than that, I'm feeling it. I'm feeling this. It's pretty dope. It feels good. It has like a nice gripping texture on it. Matter of fact, I want you guys to get that. So let me put my light. My light fell off, so bear with me. But it's like a rubber grip, and I think the pole is either metal or some type of like really sturdy plastic, but it feels comfortable. It's not locked right now because I'm using my other camera to record this, but I don't know. So if you like this video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe, let me know in the comments if my mod is waterproof and can I get underwater with everything connected to my GoPro. If so, that's what's up. If not, I have to take it out, which is no problem. Paid too much to mess it up. But yeah, this is the El Grande extension pole. The logo is at the top. It might be backwards for you guys, but I'm feeling it. I'm really feeling it. It's a good buy. I say get this before you spend $20–$30 trying to be cheap on other selfie sticks. What's up, YouTube? Is it recording? I can't tell because my screen is double, but I wanted to just insert this clip. You know, it's elongated. Full 58 inches. Wait, 58 inches? I'm bugging. I believe it is 15 inches to 38 inches. The Grande, as I showed you guys, and the clips ahead of this. So I just wanted you to see, like, you know, when you're all the way out there in them streets, you can get you a good video. I'm gonna flip the camera and I'm doing this for you guys. So I'm just gonna spin around. It's fully elongated. You know, so when you're out here, kind of heavy since I have all these mods, but hey, it is pain. And you know, it's pretty cool. I have a good grip. Like I said, it's rubber grip. Don't ask me why those sneakers are in the video I was making for TikTok. Which you can follow me at I am Cash K, the one and only yours truly. But yeah, this is just a quick clip inserted in here. I could break the pole down some length and I'll put it back up, and it's still pretty good. Now we're at like an arm's reach level type. Like, I'm just hope all is well. Hope you guys are doing good. Hope you guys like this review. Leave it in the comments, like I said, if you need me to do anything else. And I'm gonna end this video right here. I'm gonna extend it one more time for you guys and put it on my table. 1 second. Like, this is it right here. .38 inches, you guys. This is a big selfie stick. I'll put my selfie stick for my phone as a comparison. It's a big difference. This is a big boy. Gotta give GoPro that. This is a big boy. This is about 7 inches. 38 inches. So you can get those shots under the water, you know, in the bushes, in the trees, in the car. Selfie stick out the window screaming money ain't a thing. You know, this could expand this as well, but it ain't nothing. Oops. Nothing. Sturdy like this El Grande right here. This is pretty long as well. I ain't gonna hold you. But I wouldn't trust my GoPro on this, or my phone like this extended. It's like flimsy. You get what you pay for. Less than 10 bucks for this. But we're not talking about this right now. We're talking about Mr. El Grande. So go get this, guys. I'll drop a link in the description to get it. There was a promo code for the other GoPro products that I posted, but they literally expired the date of that video. But it's all good. If I ever find any more promo codes or like discounts, I got you guys. Just let me know if y'all want more content so I can produce it. You know, this came in the mail today. We got other things coming. It's going to be a big year despite what's all going on, but definitely check this out. Leave a comment, like, subscribe, share this video. Let me know how you like it, what I need to work on for this review. Get more in depth, less detail, more detail. But I'm not gonna prolong it any longer. I'm gonna close out the video. Thank you for watching, and live like life is your last. Have a good night. Until next time, hasta luego. Please don't come for me. I know this is very unorganized and unput together, this video, but this was last minute. I opened it. I was like, oh snap, gotta record for y'all. So better content for the next video. Pause, hold yourself, relax. It ain't that deep, but go ahead, like this video.